Watch this, watch this, watch this. Watch this. Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you did like this video, hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for when we release a new video on the channel. So today we are working on the Miata once again. As you guys saw, we have picked up a new Miata and we started to diagnose what is wrong with it. As you guys saw in the last episode, we have to get new spark plug wires, and we did discover a little bit of rust, but that's okay. It's not as bad as we think, and so we're gonna work on it and try and take care of it as best as possible. But today, we're not gonna be worrying about the rust or all of the motor per se, but we're gonna be focusing on the interior. All right, so before we get into the interior, I actually got my tool. I got a 22mm socket for a 1/2 inch. So we are gonna see if the motor will turn freely. And if it does, the motor's good. If not, we're gonna probably have to do some half backyard way of like making it work. So, with that being said, let's just see if it works. Kind of nervous. All right. Yes! Yes! Oh, baby, that's hot. Oh, baby, a triple. Yes! All right, so we have a free moving motor, as far as we could tell, which is a good thing because that means that the motor did not seize up, so we're all good to go. I'm very happy right now. That's good. I've been waiting for this moment. I've literally had to wait for a short impact socket. We now know that the motor turns. It's all good to go, so that makes me happy. And that means we don't have to rebuild the motor as of right now. All right, boys, I'm talking to the camera right now. So camera, hi. If you see me with the headset, it's because I'm also streaming right now. But we're gonna start by taking apart this trunk space. The whole point of us taking this apart is we just need to clean everything out, see what we're dealing with, and kind of see the show we have to, you know, live with and clean out. All right, guys, so we got some good news. These pieces right here were a worry that I had, but since I took the tarp was obviously destroyed, but I took the carpet out and it looks like all these pieces are replaceable. So that's good news. So worst case scenario, we could take it to a shop, have them remake them, and we can get and install them on the car. We're gonna have to talk to somebody about the top itself, but apparently all the metal to make the top is all good. So probably at some point we're gonna take the top off, or at least try and find a way to take the rest of the material off. We'll just take the cloth off and have a metal exoskeleton for the time being. Oh my God, I don't like this. All right, guys, so looks like we're gonna have this little stopping point here. Here's what's going on. So these front bolts we're trying to take out. We can get the driver's seat out very easily. All the bolts are all good to go. It's the driver's side, it's the passenger side that's gonna be an issue. What has happened is that apparently this side has gotten more abuse than the other side. So all the bolts on both the front passenger seat are all so I'm gonna have to do some research how to get it out. The driver's seat will come out super easily. Just gotta get the torque bar on it and just go from there.
The next day.
Today, we're doing a little bit something different. Couple of things. One, main thing we're gonna be doing today is gonna be washing the cars. I'm gonna be washing my car finally, and my grandmother's car. I'm gonna be washing both of them. My grandmother did something very amazing today. So as you guys know, I've been working on the Miata project, and this has been a big deal to me because it's something I've been really excited about. Been needing to get some parts to get it up and running, needed a new battery, a couple extra parts and stuff like that. just to get the car going and make sure we're all good to go. Well, my grandmother comes in today and she's like, hey, look, this took me a while to get, and I wanted to give it to you now, earlier, for your birthday early. And she goes, happy birthday. And she hands me money, and it's 500 bucks, which is actually what I needed to buy all the parts for the Miata to get it running. So, I have now bought all the parts that I needed to get the Miata running. Right here, we have a battery. And I got a new terminal top for it if we can't make the old one work. So, but we've got everything we need to make it run and work, ordered or on the way. We will then be able to start working on more of the car and maybe, possibly, get it to run. All right, guys, listen, you gotta see this shit, okay? Look, okay, so I had to test this because the battery, right? So I put the battery in right here. It's in there. It's, let me see, let me make sure it's not off fucking. But it's in there, right? So we're gonna connect it on. Look at that! Look at that! Watch this, watch this, watch this, watch this. Oh my god! But besides that, the car runs. Like, and you heard it, it cranked over. That means it's free. Oh my god. So, there's a lot of people out right now. Just chilling out in their garages and stuff like that. So I'm not gonna be really talking much. I'm just gonna be washing my cars, and I'll point to stuff as I see fit and stuff like that. We're gonna just wash both cars at kind of the same time, do them pretty quickly, just a clean over, nothing super crazy right now. And then another time, I'll go over everything with how detailed I go with cleaning my car. Alrighty, I'm gonna wash the cars now. I'm using the wires. Some basic, nothing crazy. If there's any companies that want to sponsor me to clean cars and yikes, and interior detailing, hit me up. Business emails in the description down below. I've also gotten very quick at this because of how many cars I had to wash one time at the old job. I washed like 12 cars in a day or some shit like that. Now, I know it's not a lot of a whole process. It's not like super crazy detailing or anything. But it's what I do. It's just a basic clean for your car, and sometimes it's just the little things that help keep your car up to date. Obviously, once this thing, we start tearing more into this and we start cleaning it up a little bit more, and we can finally find a way to get these seats out of this damn thing. It's something that, we'll take a deeper look into. We will crack down on we'll clean up everything on the interior, clean up the carpet as much as possible, take out as much interior as we can, and, go as deep clean as possible. So with that being said, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you did like this video, hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell if you haven't already done so. It'll help notify you whenever I release a new video on the channel. So yeah, that's gonna be it for today, and I'll see you guys next one. Bye guys.